For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Tezos' way of greatness was difficult by any means. In any case, notwithstanding all deterrents, the cryptographic money really was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on north of 10 Goliath crypto trades, including. We will look at XTZ intently and give you a far-reaching cost expectation about Tezos digital money in an unobtrusive manner. How does Tezos work? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications, DApps, and executing brilliant agreements. Admittance to the program code truly is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks explicitly. The framework especially is separated into 3 modules: O the network module, O the transaction module, O the consensus module. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml programming language, which makes it genuinely conceivable to autonomously sort of update every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur, a previous Morgan Stanley examiner, and Caitlin Brightman had a plan to make Tezos. To generally send off their task, they held an exceptionally fruitful initial coin offering. In 2017, the couple figured out how to truly raise $232 million, making it the biggest eco round then, which is genuinely huge. In any case, because of interior issues, the execution of the task was deferred, or so they sort of thought. Thus, the coin never commonly entered the trades at the selected time, which is very critical. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the task organizers. In 2018, a beta variant of the venture was delivered, however it didn't figure out how to save what is happening. Beguiled financial backers really raced to for the most part sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, looking to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion standard in an unpretentious manner. The engineers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point in time, Tezos is a digital currency that kills key obstructions to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its elements, the accompanying fundamentally are quite important. The liquid proof of stake (LPOS) agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to take part in baking. This really is the very thing that the Tezos network most certainly calls handling exchanges and creating new blocks. To heat, you really want to introduce a full hub on for the most part your PC and present an application on the authority site. Cooks are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. XTZ generally is an especially encouraging computerized cash whose cost has an incredible potential to expand because of customary convention refreshes, biological system extension, and the obtaining of huge accomplices. With the great condition of the crypto market and the further advancement of the venture, most crypto experts expect that in 2022, the XTZ coin might be exchanged at an especially normal of $3, $4.3. By 2023, the XTZ cost is generally anticipated to arrive at the degree of $5, $6.5, and by 2025, $7, $8.6. Tezos price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will be $2.15. The kind of most extreme level that the XTZ cost can reach is $2.35. The sort of typical exchanging cost is normal around $2.23. XTZ price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the genuinely normal XTZ pace of $2 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.81 and at $2.06, separately. October 2022, Tezos price forecast. Digital currency specialists are truly prepared to declare their gauge for the XTZ cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $2, while the greatest could reach $2.16 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Tezos could in every practical sense be around $2.08. XTZ price forecast for November 2022, which is genuinely critical. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Tezos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XTZ rate they foresee may be around $2.14 in November 2022. It can drop to $2.07 as a base. The greatest worth may be $2.24. December 2022, Tezos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at $2.23 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $2.35. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $2.15 in December 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. Tezos price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it for the most part is expected that in 2023, the base costs of Tezos will be around $3.03. The greatest expected XTZ cost might be around $3.76. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3.14 in 2023. Tezos price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4.67 and $5.29, separately for the most part. The typical expected exchanging cost sort of is $4.80. Tezos price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Tezos and their variances during the earlier years, or so they thought. It is expected that in 2025, the base XTZ cost could drop to $6.59, while its most extreme can reach $8.05. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.83, or so they generally thought. Tezos price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least XTZ costs are normal in 2026, $11.55 and $9.68. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $10.02. Tezos price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists generally are continually examining the changes of Tezos. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical XTZ cost will